Imagine your business lighting up the screens of local customers searching for what you offer. That's what local SEO can do for you, and I'm here to make that happen. This isn't about a basic Google profile on Google Maps. It's about a powerhouse that makes your business unmissable, whether you're fixing leaks, installing a fence, or mowing lawns. I've helped traders become the go-to choice in their suburb. You don't just need an online profile. You need a local SEO strategy that puts your business front and center, ready to be discovered by customers eager to pick up the phone or walk through the door. My local lead surge package is designed to make your business shine. We do this by showing vibrant photos of your top-notch work that grab attention and build trust, ensuring your profile ranks for keywords such as near me or best services in this city. Adding offers and posts that will generate awareness of your offerings and services and even discounts. And a smart review strategy that turns your happy customers into repeating sales customers for new clients. An optimized Google profile can generate 42% more directions to your business and 35% more website clicks. That's real people walking through your business doors or booking online. It's not about just looking good online, it's about being found at the right moment. From proven tactics for optimizing profiles and ongoing management, I've got you covered, but there's a catch. I can only take on a limited number of customers for each region, for each service. This ensures top-notch results for your business. Book a free 10-minute call to see if we can help you. Visit our website, link below, or we have a free questionnaire below to see what you're missing out for your profile that you can do for yourself. Ready to light up the local search and become the business everyone talks about?